Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage customer engagement with Zendesk, beginner guide step by step clearly. To manage customer engagement with Zendesk, begin by creating your Zendesk account. Visit the Zendesk website and choose a plan that suits your business needs. Once registered, set up your profile by filling in the necessary contact information. Next, navigate to the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. Click on Admin to access settings and customize your account. Start by configuring your support email. Connect your email address to ensure all customer inquiries reach the platform. Now, create your support portal to provide customers with easy access to help resources. Select Guide from the dashboard to start building your knowledge base. Add articles, FAQs, and troubleshooting guides that can assist customers. Next, explore the Tickets section to track customer inquiries. Familiarize yourself with ticket statuses such as open, pending, and resolved. Use tags and categories to organize the tickets for better management. Engage with customers directly through the Messages feature to enhance interaction. Set up automated responses for common questions to save time. Consider integrating chat functionality to provide real-time support. Implement customer satisfaction surveys to gather feedback on your assistance. Monitor responses to improve service and address any recurring issues. Utilize reporting features to analyze engagement metrics and performance. Identify trends in customer inquiries to proactively address concerns. Stay active by regularly updating knowledge base articles to keep them relevant. Maintain communication with your team and set clear responsibilities for responding to customers. Lastly, continuously explore Zendesk's resources and community forums for best practices and tips. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.